In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the liftgate support on this Dodge Grand Caravan. Let's get started. I'm only going to show you how to replace one side because the procedure applies exactly the same on the other side. However, note that if one of them is bad, I recommend replacing both so that you can get the best performance out of them. To remove this, you first either want to have a helper hold the liftgate for you or have something that'll support it, because one strut alone is not enough to hold the whole weight of it, and you might need both hands for this. Use a pocket screwdriver, pry this little clip out. This is going to unlock the top of it. You can also use a pick if that's what you have. There we go. Once you have that pried out, push the liftgate up. That will release this for you. Down at the bottom, usually you can get away with just tilting it backwards and it will snap out of place. Don't worry, it's not going to break. It'll just unhook. Clean the pivot area if needed, or replace it if it's rotted. And to install the new one, simply line it up and press it on. There we go, it should click into place. And up here, push the liftgate up further past its regular height, just a little bit, and then snap this, pull it firmly, and it should lock it down in place. Make sure it doesn't go anywhere. There is already grease on the back side of this joint here, so just work it back and forth. Once again, do the same to the other side, and there you have it.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.